Good morning, class. Sai Ram to all. Once again, we all are back here with our maths class. So today we are going to complete the same chapter, that is chapter number 8, decimals. Right. So let's start the chapter. We have already completed 8.5. So today we are going to start the exercise 8.6. It is very easy. First question we have this subtract question. So we have rupees 18.25, we have to subtract from 20.75, right? So it is already given that we have to subtract from this number. So what we will do, we will take first number like 20.75, then we will subtract the 20.75 from 18.25, right? So when we will subtract both the numbers, it is very easy. You all have learned in your small classes how to subtract. So the answer will be 2.50. Now moving to the question number 2, we have 202.54 meter from 250 rupees. So as we can observe here, it is given 250. So it means no decimal point is there. So we will increase one decimal point and we will increase the number of zeros behind it. And the question we have given is 202.54. Okay, it is very easy now. We can subtract very easily. Like just 0 cannot take subtract 4, so it will become 10, and this will become 9, and this will become 10, and this will become 4, and this 10 has already given to this, so it will become 9. So right, so this way we are going to subtract all the numbers, so it will be very easy for you all. Now moving to the question number C, that is rupees 5.36 from 8.40. So we have 8.40 from, we have to subtract 5.36. So it will be 0 will become 10 and it will become 3. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, point decimal will remain as it is, 8 minus 5 is 3, right? So our answer will be 3.04. Now moving to the question number D, we have 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. When we will subtract 5.206 kilometer minus 2.051, we will have 3.155. Okay, so this way we can subtract the numbers, decimal numbers. Moving to the question number 2, we have find the value of 9.756 minus 6.28. So we have the number 9.756. Now next number we have 6.28. इसका मतलब below decimal we have to write decimal number. So 6 point will come below one another and 0.28. Now we will subtract the number very easily. So when we will subtract, we will have 3.476 as our answer. Moving to the question number B, we have 21.05 minus 15.27. So we will have, when we subtract both the numbers, we will be having 0.578. Moving to the question number 3, we have Raju bought a book of rupees 35.65 and he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So Raju was having total amount, that is 50 rupees. He purchased a book of rupees 35.65. So how much money is left with him? So for what we will do, we will subtract both the numbers, right? So we have rupees 50 and how much he spent 35.65. So as it is a decimal number, so we have to increase after, we have to put decimal point after 50 and we have to increase the number of zeros. So answer will be 35.65, the spent money, and then we will subtract both the numbers. So when we will subtract, we will be having 14.35, right? Yes, it is very easy because this will become 9 and this will become 10, this will become 9 and this again will become 9. Okay, so 9 minus 5 is it will be, I think, sorry, it will be 10, no? So 10 minus 5 will be 5, 9 minus 6 will be 3, and this will become 9, so it will be 9 minus 5 is 4, and 4 minus 3 will be 1. So as you all know how to subtract, it is very easy for you. So amount left with Raju will be, he will get back, therefore Raju got back rupees 14.35 from the shopkeeper. Moving to the question number 4, we have Rani had 18.50 rupees. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. How much money does she have now? So how much money Rani was having? The total money she was having is rupees 18.50, and cost for the ice cream was 11.75. So how much money is left with her? Amount left will be equals to rupees 18.50 minus rupees 11.75. So left amount will be rupees 6.75. Therefore Rani has 6.75 now. Moving to the question number 5, we have Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long clothes. She cut 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? Okay, Tina was having the total length of the cloth will be 20 meter 5 centimeter. Okay, and length of cloth used is 4 meter 50 centimeter. So what we have to do, we have to change centimeter into meter. How? Because 1 meter is having 100 centimeter, 1 meter is having 100 centimeter. So when we will change 5 centimeter into meter, we will, what we will do, we will divide 5 by 100. Okay, so when we will divide 5 by 100, our answer will be 0.05. So 0.20 plus 0.05 meter will be equals to 20.05 meter. Okay, this will be our answer in meter. Same way we will do for length of cloth used will be also 4.50 meter. Okay, so remaining clothes we have is, total she had is 20.05 meter. Length of the clothes she used is 4.50 meter. So what is the amount left with the clothes? It will be 15.55 meter, right? So therefore 15.55 meter of cloth is left with Tina. Okay, most important thing is you have to remember is that if the unit is in meter centimeter, so you have to make it as a one single unit. It either it should be meter or it should be in centimeter. So now moving to the question, next question we have question number 6. Namita travels 20 kilometer 50 meter every day. Out of this she traveled 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? So what we have to do, we have to find the distance traveled by auto. So total distance travel will be equals to 20 kilometer 50 meter every day she walk, and she travel by bus is, distance travel by bus is 10 kilometer 200 meter. Okay, and the rest is left with the auto. So what we will do, we will subtract for the rest. Okay, so we have the total distance travel will be 20 kilometer and 50 meter. What we will do, we will change this meter into kilometer. How? By dividing it with 100, right? So it will be 20.050 kilometer. Sorry, not by 100, by 1000 we have to divide, because 1 kilometer is having 1000 meter. Okay, so we will divide 50 by 1000. Whatever answer will come, we will add with 20 kilometer. So our full answer will be in 20 kilometer, right? So yes, so same way we will do for distance traveled by bus. We will change every unit will be in kilometer. So distance traveled by auto will be 20.050 minus 10.200 will be equals to 9.850 kilometer. Therefore the distance traveled by auto will be 9.850 kilometer. Moving to the question number 7, we have Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg 500 gram in onions, 2 kg 75 gram in tomatoes, and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? Okay, total weight is how much he is having? 10 kg, out of which weight of the onions is rupees 3 equals to 3 kg 500 gram. Again we will convert it into one unit, either you change to gram or you change to kilogram, but it is asking what is the weight of the potatoes. So for potatoes will be always in kilogram, so we have to change the gram into kilogram. By 1 kilogram is having 1000 gram, so we have to divide this gram into kilogram by 1000. So 500 gram will be divided by 1000, so we will have 0.500 kilogram. So we will add 3 kg plus that kilogram, that will, so it will become 3.500 kilogram. Same way, weight for the tomatoes will be 2.075 kilogram. So total weight of onions and tomatoes will be equals to 3.500 plus 2.075 will be equals to 5.575 kilogram. Therefore, weight of the potatoes will be, this is the total amount of onions and potatoes. So for finding the potatoes weight, we have to subtract from the total weight. So total weight was 10 kilogram. So we will subtract now, because the weight of the onion and tomatoes is in decimal, so we will make the decimal point after total weight, that is 0.00 we will increase. So the weight of the potatoes left will be 4.425 kilogram. Thus the weight of the potatoes is 4.425 kilogram, right? So we have the total weight of the potatoes is 4.425. So today we are going to end the chapter of this decimal. We are going to finish the chapter. We have already completed. Today I have finished the chapter from my side. Now it is your responsibility. You all have to finish the chapter from your side also. So keep on practicing the decimal, subtraction, addition, change, how to change them, how to subtract them. So keep on practicing the chapter number 8, and we will meet very soon for the next class. Till then, Sai Ram, and practice the chapter 8 decimals.